the amount of lividness I have right now. Barbs, it's your girl Amari, and I'm back again with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be giving y'all the unboxing of Tuneful lace front wigs. It is a 13x4 lace frontal, 150% density, and it is 12 inches. I think I said that already, but it's okay. I just want to express the amount of lividness I have right now. So I recorded this entire video organically. I had the package right here, opened it on camera. Why was my head cut off? I was giving y'all very much Wizard Kelly. Easy day. Alright, so I got the Tuneful wig in natural color. Y'all, what a disgrace. But anyways, it's okay, because we're gonna get right back into this. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna show you everything that was up in the package, but it won't be organically, because the last video where I was giving y'all Wizard Kelly was organic. Here's the wig. What was that? Oh, that was the hair net. Okay, this is the wig. It came with a wig cap. I really appreciate these when these come inside of a package of the hair. I really appreciate that, because I don't have to go to the wig supply store and get one when I melt and do my ball cap method. But you know, and what really astounded me about this hair company is that they are different. Because look at this. Okay. Yeah. This is what's different. They gave me 3 lashes, 1 glam, 1 volume, and 1 sexy. It's the same to me. Yeah, these are the same lashes, but it's the thought that counts. It's the fact that they tried, and they did good. Okay, back to this lace though. It came with this in the inside. They came with this in the inside like this, with a hairnet around it. In this, all up in there, all inside of this. Now, this, I didn't like it. I don't like the colors, but you may like the colors. You may give this packaging a 10 out of 10, but well, never mind. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10 because of the thought that counts, but really because of this and this. I love that. Okay, back to the hair though. Oh wow, the hairnet fell again. I have a lace that I don't like. You guys, okay, well y'all don't know. Lace, good lace stretch easily. This doesn't. I have to tug it to make it stretch, y'all. I don't like that. And then the hair is very, very soft. The hair is soft. I do give it that. We're gonna brush it for you. Like, I love this hair and how soft it is. No shitting. Give it a comb. No shit. Y'all, this is it. Oh, got one hair, but that was because I really tugged on it. I also like the fact that it is a full frontal. Most companies try to get over it and give you a closure with edges. This one didn't. It gave me a full frontal, and I love that. So I can part it in the middle, I can part it on the side without having to adjust the wig, and I love that. And I also like how little the actual knots are. So I'm just gonna put this lace against my arm. Y'all see how little those knots are? That's gonna be a breeze to bleach. But stay tuned, because I'm going to record me installing this and preparing this for y'all. All because I love y'all. That's my heartbeat for y'all. But one quick question. Have you subscribed yet? If you haven't, I'll wait. I'll wait for you. Because I care about my barbs. And I want them to subscribe and like this video. And comment as well. Tell me what you think about this hair. Do that. I'm going to wait for you. Just going to scroll on my computer for a second while y'all go subscribe and like this video. Dang, I need my nails done. Have you did it yet? Ah, okay. Yeah. By that time, I'm sure you guys did it already. Alright, that is the end of this video. On a scale of 1 to 10, I do give this hair about an 8. When you include the packaging and the actual hair. The only thing that I don't like is this lace. Tuneful. I hope you're listening. Tuneful. That's the only thing I don't like. It's the lace. Okay? Do better. Do better. Do better.
Got a brand new penny and I think I pay over for it. I'm starting to think that I pay over for your love.